Lesson: Governance Strategies for Multi-Chain Ecosystems. Governance strategies for multi-chain ecosystems are a vital component for professionals aiming to excel in blockchain governance and compliance, particularly within the realm of blockchain interoperability and cross-jurisdictional compliance. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, the emergence of multi-chain ecosystems presents both opportunities and challenges that necessitate sophisticated governance strategies. These ecosystems comprise multiple interconnected blockchains, each potentially operating under different rules, consensus mechanisms, and governance models. Effective governance in this context requires not only an understanding of individual blockchain dynamics, but also a nuanced approach to managing the interactions between them. A core challenge in governing multi-chain ecosystems is achieving consensus across diverse chains. Unlike single-chain systems, where governance mechanisms such as on-chain voting or delegated proof-of-stake can suffice, multi-chain ecosystems demand more complex solutions. One effective strategy is the implementation of cross-chain governance protocols that facilitate decision-making processes spanning multiple blockchains. An exemplary framework in this regard is the Polkadot network, which employs a relay chain to ensure interoperability and shared security among its parachains. Through its governance model, Polkadot allows stakeholders to propose and vote on network upgrades, ensuring that changes reflect the collective interests of its multi-chain community. To address the diverse needs of stakeholders within multi-chain environments, governance strategies must incorporate robust stakeholder engagement mechanisms. This can be achieved through decentralized autonomous organizations, which provide a platform for stakeholders to participate in decision-making processes. DAOs enable token holders to vote on proposals, thereby democratizing governance and ensuring that decisions align with the interests of the community. The Aragon platform is a noteworthy example, offering tools for creating DAOs that operate across different blockchains. By leveraging Aragon's infrastructure, organizations can establish governance frameworks that facilitate cross-chain collaboration and decision-making. Moreover, governance strategies should emphasize the importance of establishing clear and enforceable rules for cross-chain interactions. This includes defining protocols for data exchange, transaction validation, and dispute resolution. Smart contracts play a crucial role in this context, automating the enforcement of agreements and reducing the risk of human error or manipulation. For instance, Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides secure and reliable data feeds for smart contracts operating across multiple blockchains, ensuring that cross-chain transactions are executed according to predefined rules. In addition to technical solutions, governance strategies must also consider the regulatory landscape surrounding multi-chain ecosystems. Cross-jurisdictional compliance is a significant concern, as varying legal frameworks can impact how blockchain networks operate and interact. To navigate these challenges, it is essential to develop compliance frameworks that align with international regulatory standards. The International Organization for Standardization provides guidelines for blockchain governance, which can serve as a reference point for developing cross-jurisdictional compliance strategies. By adhering to these standards, organizations can mitigate legal risks and foster trust among stakeholders. Furthermore, governance strategies should incorporate mechanisms for monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of governance processes. This requires the implementation of metrics and analytics tools that provide insights into the performance of governance frameworks. By analyzing data on voting patterns, stakeholder participation, and the outcomes of governance decisions, organizations can identify areas for improvement and refine their strategies accordingly. Tools such as Dune Analytics offer customizable dashboards for tracking governance metrics across multiple blockchains, enabling data-driven decision-making. The adoption of best practices in governance is critical for enhancing the resilience and sustainability of multi-chain ecosystems. One best practice is the establishment of a multi-tiered governance structure that accommodates different levels of decision-making authority. This approach allows for efficient management of routine decisions while reserving complex or high-impact decisions for broader stakeholder consultation. The Cosmos Network exemplifies this practice through its hub and zone architecture, where governance decisions can be made locally within zones or globally at the hub level, ensuring both flexibility and alignment across the ecosystem. Moreover, fostering a culture of transparency and accountability is essential for effective governance. This can be achieved by maintaining open communication channels and providing stakeholders with access to relevant information on governance processes and decisions. Transparency builds trust and encourages active participation, ultimately strengthening the governance framework. Platforms like Snapshot facilitate transparent governance by enabling communities to create and vote on proposals in a decentralized manner, with results publicly accessible to all stakeholders. Case studies of successful multi-chain governance implementations further illustrate the effectiveness of these strategies. A notable example is the governance model of the Aave protocol, which operates across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum and Polygon. Aave's governance framework empowers token holders to propose and vote on key protocol changes, such as interest rate adjustments and collateral requirements. By leveraging a decentralized governance model, Aave has successfully navigated the complexities of multi-chain operations while maintaining a high level of security and user trust. In conclusion, governance strategies for multi-chain ecosystems require a comprehensive approach that integrates technical, regulatory, and participatory elements. By implementing cross-chain governance protocols, leveraging DAOs, establishing clear rules and compliance frameworks, and adopting best practices, organizations can effectively manage the complexities of multi-chain environments. The use of practical tools and frameworks, such as Polkadot's Relay Chain, Aragon's DAO platform, and Chainlink's Oracle network, provides actionable insights for professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency in blockchain governance and compliance. Ultimately, the successful governance of multi-chain ecosystems hinges on a commitment to transparency, accountability, and stakeholder engagement, ensuring that these dynamic environments can thrive in an increasingly interconnected world.